Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now, making money in Persona 5 Royal is important early on, especially for buying items, equipment, and paying for Persona Fusion. Now, there are a few reliable ways to earn money quickly if you focus on the right actions. Now, first, during combat, aim to trigger a hold-up by knocking down all enemies using their weaknesses. Now, once you have them surrounded, choose the option to ask for money instead of recruiting or attacking. Enemies will often give you a decent amount of yen, especially if you repeat this consistently. Now next, make sure you're collecting treasure items during palace exploration. Now these items don't have combat use, but you can sell them for money at shops. After leaving the palace, go to a shop and sell any unused or excess items to get extra yen. You can also increase your earnings by finishing battles quickly and efficiently. Using ambush attacks and all-out attacks helps you clear fights faster, which means more rewards over time. Go ahead and use the baton pass as well to increase and quickly finish all of the fights. Overall, the fastest way to make money is combining these methods. Use holdups to demand cash, collect and sell treasure, and keep your combat efficient so you can farm consistently. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.